Everything we love is on the line. Every reef, every river, every ocean, every life. This is not a drill. This is a fight for survival. And let's remember where we stand in history. We're here in Busan negotiating the most important global treaty for the survival of humankind since the adoption of the Paris Agreement on Climate in 2015. We're not just negotiating a treaty. We're deciding whether we care enough to save ourselves. Plastics for Panama are a weapon of mass destruction. Plastics are not convenience. Plastics are poison. Every piece that we allow to produce without limits is a direct assault on our health, on our nature, and our children. For those blocking progress, you are allowing this crisis to fester, and it will kill us. This is just not a treaty about plastics. This is humanity's line on the sand. If we don't get an ambitious treaty out of Busan, it will be a global betrayal. If we don't get an ambitious treaty out of Busan, history will not forgive us. This is the time to step up or get out. Thank you.